In this ukulele video, I'm going to keep this real simple. I'm going to show you how to play the first chord you should know on ukulele, which is the C chord. All right, welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and yeah, let's dive into this thing. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and let me know in the comments below, are you totally new? Because I'm imagining if you're here, you want to learn the very first chord you should play on ukulele, then this is why you're here, because it's a C chord, and the nice thing about it is one of the easiest chords that you can play on the ukulele. Now, as you get this chord down, you want to learn more, I got something free for you, okay? We're going to put a link in the description below to go get the free Ukelikethepros chord chart. That's going to have not only this chord, but major chords and minor chords and seventh chords and all the chords that you need to get started and play your favorite songs. Again, that's totally free. We'll put a link of that below. All right, are you ready? Check this out. Now, you should have been able to look at the chord diagram that's on the screen and figure this out. Now, if you're new, you might be like, I don't get it. And that's why I'm going to take the time in this video to break it down a little bit for you to help you understand. But again, it's right here. All right, so let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going to give you a few tips here on how to play the chords better, whether it's a C chord or other chords you learn. By the way, I'm on a little soprano today. This is my Koaloha KSM00, made in Hawaii. Thanks, Koaloha, for this. If you like this or need any kind of ukulele, we got entry level to mid-level, the high level ukuleles that's stored at ukelikethepros.com. All right. I do have a high G on this as well. If you don't know what that means, we have videos that cover what high G and low G is as well. All right, so this is very simple. Just grab your uke. All you got to do is really simple. Place your third finger, that's your ring finger, on the first string. That's the one closest to the ground on the third fret. 1, 2, 3. You can just literally count up. The fret are what? These metal bars. All right, just place it right there. Use your fingertip. Okay, play right in your fingertip. So you're going to curve your knuckles here. That way that finger is only touching that first string, not the second string. You're going to press down. You got to give it enough volume to get a nice clear tone. And then simply with your thumb, just strum 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are the strings, right? Fourth string, third string, second string, first string. And just strum all together. If you want to use your index finger to do more of a quicker strum, you can do that as well. Now that's the C chord. Again, I know it's easy, but everything is hard when you're starting out, when you first got your ukulele. And by the way, how long have you been playing? Leave a comment below how long you've been playing, and make sure to smash the like button and share this video. It's easy as you've done it for a while, because I've only played this C chord like 3 bajillion trillion times. I don't know if that's a real number, but we'll make it up. But I remember when you're starting out, it is a little bit more difficult, especially to get the nice clear notes. Now, this C chord is the most popular chord because so much of music we see in ukulele is in the key of C. So make sure you not only get this down, not only can play it nice and clear, but also then file this away in your memory, memorize it, so that way when you see a C chord, which you're going to see over and over and over again, then you're going to remember it. All right, if you dig this, I just had to do a little strumming. We have fantastic beginner courses over at ukelikethepros.com. Matter of fact, we have over 20 courses, but we got a couple of great beginning courses to get you started, meaning you just got your ukulele, you're just learning your few chords, you're just learning your few songs. That's at ukelikethepros.com. Come on over, be part of the Ukelikethepros Nation. So anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Like I said, we're going to keep it short. That's your C chord. Get it down. Make sure to memorize it. And I appreciate your support, being here, all the support that you've given Ukelikethepros and helping spread not only Ukelikethepros, but just ukulele in general to the world. All right, I'll show you those chords in a different video. Take care.